On Turkey's stunning Mediterranean coast, where the Taurus Mountains meet crystal clear turquoise waters, you'll find Balmy Foresta, a 5-star beachfront resort located in Beldibi, Kemer, just outside Antalya. Surrounded by lush pine forests and the endless blue of the sea, this place is the perfect mix of nature, luxury, and total relaxation. I spent 1 full week in this paradise, and in today's video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know. How to get here from Antalya Airport, what the rooms look like, the restaurants and food, the swimming pools, and all the activities you can enjoy both in the hotel and right on the beachfront. My name is Anna, and if you love travel tips, honest hotel reviews, and cinematic drone shots, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss my newest videos. And now, let's jump straight into Balmy Foresta. Reaching Balmy Foresta is effortless. From Antalya International Airport, the journey takes approximately 45 minutes by car, following a scenic coastal highway that winds between the mountains and the Mediterranean shoreline, an arrival as beautiful as the destination itself. Set directly on its own private stretch of coastline, Balmy Foresta offers uninterrupted access to the Mediterranean, where the sea is always just a few steps away. Many of the rooms feature private balconies facing the water, creating the perfect setting for slow mornings and golden sunsets. And if you can, wake up early at least once. The sunrise here feels almost unreal. Soft light over the sea, the air still cool, and the sound of cicadas filling the forest behind you. It's the kind of moment that makes you pause and simply take it all in. One thing worth mentioning, just below on the ground floor, the hotel has a stage area where live music is played almost every evening. For many guests, it adds a vibrant energy to the resort after sunset. But if you're looking for complete quiet or traveling with small children, it's worth requesting a room on the opposite side of the hotel or higher up where the evenings feel more peaceful. The resort features 346 rooms. Each room offers air conditioning, private balconies, bathroom, in our case we had 2 bathrooms, and high-speed Wi-Fi. I wouldn't say it is a luxury hotel, but definitely is aspiring to be. Rooms are renovated, but you can see that the building itself is a bit old. Nevertheless, it is good value for money in my opinion. What makes Balmy Foresta truly special is the landscape surrounding it. The entire resort is wrapped in deep greenery, and wherever you walk it feels less like a hotel and more like moving through a Mediterranean garden. Towering trees, shaded paths, and the scent of pine in the air create a calm, natural atmosphere that stays with you throughout the day. And because the territory is so large and so well spread out, even when the hotel is full, it never feels crowded. It's one of the few all-inclusive resorts where you don't constantly feel surrounded by people. Instead, you feel surrounded by nature. Across the resort, you'll find several outdoor swimming pools, a heated indoor pool, and a family-friendly aqua park with water slides, creating a lively atmosphere and endless entertainment for guests of all ages. For families, there are dedicated children's pools, a kids club, playground areas, and supervised activities throughout the day. And if you're the type who likes to stay active, there's no shortage of options, from beach volleyball and fitness classes to water sports along the coast. But for those looking for something quieter, Balmy Foresta also has a dedicated adults-only pool, reserved exclusively for guests aged 18 and over. Calm, peaceful, and away from the busy areas, it quickly became one of my favorite spots in the entire resort, right after the beachfront itself. There's even a bar just a few steps away, so it's easy to grab a coffee or a refreshing drink without ever leaving the sun. And what I really loved is that sunbeds aren't only placed along the beach. You'll also find plenty of them hidden in the green garden areas nearby. It's the perfect place to relax in the shade, read a book, and enjoy the quiet side of this resort. As I mentioned earlier, Balmy Foresta has its own private beachfront, and right at the heart of it you'll find one of the resort's most recognizable spots, the Balmy Foresta Beach Restaurant and Bar, a well-known landmark along this coastline. The walk from the hotel down to the sea is an experience in itself. Shaded by tall trees and palm-lined paths, it stays surprisingly cool even during the hottest hours of the day, making it comfortable to reach the beach without feeling exhausted by the sun. On one side of the beach bar, you'll find plenty of complimentary sunbeds available for guests. And on the other side, there are private cabanas with full food and drink service. They do come at an additional cost. But if you're planning to spend the entire day by the water and you want extra privacy, comfortable loungers, and guaranteed shade, it can definitely be worth booking. Dining at Balmy Foresta is a big part of the experience, especially if you're staying on an all-inclusive or ultra all-inclusive package, where you'll have plenty of options throughout the day. The main restaurant is Balmy Restaurant, a spacious buffet venue serving breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The selection includes a wide variety of international and local dishes, and the layout is designed to handle a large number of guests without feeling too crowded. You can dine inside in the air-conditioned hall with peaceful garden views, or choose the outdoor terrace, which is especially pleasant in the evenings. For a more special atmosphere, Balmy Foresta also offers several a la carte restaurants, usually available on selected nights and typically requiring a reservation in advance. During our visit, we tried Maya Seafood Restaurant, and the location alone makes it worth experiencing. Set right by the sea at one of the resort's most iconic spots, it offers a beautiful sunset dining setting with views that feel almost cinematic. The menu is seafood focused and the atmosphere is more intimate and refined. That said, while the scenery was unforgettable, the food and service were honestly a bit mediocre compared to what you might expect from a 5-star resort. There are other a la carte options as well, which we didn't have time to try, but once you're here, you can explore what's available, check the menus, and choose the restaurant that fits your mood and taste best. One detail worth mentioning is a quiet, peaceful corner located in the hotel lobby area. It's almost like a hidden silent zone, away from the busier parts of the resort. If you need to focus, catch up on work, or simply sit down with your laptop for a while, this is the perfect place to escape the noise and slow everything down. There's also a small book-sharing shelf here where guests leave books behind for others to enjoy. You can pick one up to read during your stay, and if you have a book of your own, you can leave it for the next visitor. Balmy Foresta is more than just a hotel. It's a destination where luxury blends naturally with the landscape, where the forest meets the sea and every day feels calm, effortless, and unforgettable. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll be happy to help. See you in the next one.